Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northern Dallas County and southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Grant County and central Arkansas until 6:30 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Spartaman, or 19 miles southeast of Arkadelphia, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Leola, Sparkman, Carthage, Dogwood, Jenkins Ferry State, Princeton, Ferndale, Manning, Tulip. The severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas.
What is it? Isaac, it's time to eat. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Adam, you just tossed him to the video.